We will learn which addends make 5. Today I have a 5s frame, some red counters, and blue counters. I'm going to start by looking at what's in the 5s frame first. I notice that there are no counters in the 5s frame. This tells me that my first addend is 0. Now I'm going to add enough to get to 5. I wonder how much that will be. Let's try. How many counters did it take to fill the 5s frame? That's right, it took 5 red counters to fill the 5s frame when we started with 0. Let's keep looking. I have 5 complete. What's going to happen if I start with 1 counter in the 5s frame? 1 plus how many will equal 5? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 4 to complete the 5s frame. So 1 red counter plus 4 blue counters equals 5. What if I start out with 2 red counters in the 5s frame? 2. Now I have to ask myself, 2 plus how many equals 5? How many blue counters will it take to complete the 5s frame? How many blue counters did it take? That's right, it took 3 blue counters to complete the 5s frame. So 2 red counters plus 3 blue counters equals 5. Let's try if we start with 3 red counters. How many blue counters will it take to fill the frame? If I start with 3 red counters and I add in a certain amount, how many will it take to reach 5? That's right. It will take 2 more blue counters to reach 5. So 3 red counters plus 2 blue counters equals 5. Let's see. What if I start with 4 red counters? If I start with 4 red counters, how many will I need to add to get to 5? That's right, just 1 more. 4 red counters needs 1 more counter to fill the 5. What if I start with 5 red counters? How many more counters will I need in order to get to 5? No more counters. I will need 0 more counters. I noticed a couple of things when I'm doing this activity. I'm noticing that anytime I add 0 to a number, it always ends up to be that second addend. I also noticed something that we talked about yesterday. When I have a 1 as one of my addends, it's just the very next number is the sum. I also see that I have a 2 and a 3 that equaled 5, and a 3 and a 2 that equals 5. They're kind of like opposites. Yeah, I can switch the addends around and it doesn't change, filling in the 5s frame. Today we're going to practice with a few of these on your slides. You're going to tell me how many counters it takes in red and in blue to equal 5.